Hi guys, it's
G&ICOUPLE channel, and we're finally home in our country. We're in Bulgaria, and today is a very exciting day because we are gonna decorate the dreamiest Christmas house. Like, guys, just believe me, you have not seen something like this. Like, it's going to be like a dream. It's basically going to be like a dream, promise. We haven't done a house tour of this house yet because it's not, yeah, we have to, but it's not completely done, so we're definitely gonna do that in the summer because it will be finished then. But now we cannot miss the decoration we are planning on doing today, so stay with us during this video. Make sure you watch till the end, because at the end you're going to see the most perfect, beautiful, dreamy, magical Christmas decoration of the dreamiest, most amazing, sick, stunning house that you have ever seen. Trust me, I don't over exaggerate usually. As you can see, it's after sunset because we have been doing this for the whole day. It took us so long, but it was worth it, big time. And really thankful to all the workers of the decorating company, because without them this wouldn't have been possible, because it was just very difficult. We're right now looking at it and my eyes are sparkling. Like,
it looks stunning.
It's just like a dream. The whole decoration is not finished. We're gonna rush now and show you the outside decoration without the outside Christmas tree, because we haven't done that yet, but we want to show you the light decoration outside.
Natural outside Christmas tree.
Yeah. And another one inside, but let's not give it out. Let them watch. We want to rush and show you guys before it's too dark, because we think now it's even more beautiful with the sky like this. So welcome to our 5,000 worth Christmas decoration.
Oh my days, look at that.
Only half of it. This is just the beginning. Keep on watching this video, because I promise you, you're gonna be like, wow. So what we're going to show you now is, this whole outside decoration is 3,600 exactly. This is all outside without the real Christmas tree outside, and then everything inside is the rest. So you can guys imagine what I'm talking about. Like, let's go. Just take a moment. Wow. We gotta change the batteries of those, and we're gonna put them outside because they're both for outside. We're gonna see how beautiful they are. Some of the batteries there.
You need only those one, baby.
Okay. So I think because we have the deer here, I think it's going to be better if I put this big one here.
Yeah.
And the smaller one here. So it's not
This
too
one
much
here?
on this side. Yeah, so I'm going to put this one here.
How dope is it, guys? Just amazing.
Well, you know what? I think this week we can put outside. Because Santa needs to see the messages, so it has to be outside, right? Okay.
Oh,
I can go to
what's going on, baby?
I need you.
Baby.
The balls and the lights for the Christmas tree outside, which is young and little because it's brand new. We just put it in the garden in the backyard. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna show you the final result, guys. So I'm gonna go and put my tree outside. Hope you didn't forget the beautiful view. Wow. This is the cute little tree. Oh god. Okay. Okay, and also I got this, which is, can you see, it's lighted up, and it's for the outside, so I'm gonna put that in here, because it's gonna match the black together with the lights in the back. It's pretty cute, to be honest. It has like a little door over here.
Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance.
So let's do the tree. I don't know if you've ever, guys, decorated a real tree, but it actually hurts so much. I'm already bleeding in a few places, and this is not a joke. Can you see how cold it is?
What?
Beautiful.
I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance.
Iva disse que se gosta.
Mi mais tudo.
Dá, né?
Tá. Vem.
Timur terus tuh.
Eu vou até com medo de cara.
Foi tão desabio.